So it's rolling, so go ahead and start whenever you want.
Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to consist of a challenge that I had challenged my twin brother.
And I'm an idiot and accepted it.
And he accepted it on who can finish this faster, or if he can finish that at all. But we have about 45 minutes to finish it, or whoever finishes first wins. Have anything to say, twin brother?
Nope, I want to eat. Come on.
Alright, may the best twin win.
Okay, 1 hour is starting now.
Oh, shit, bro. We should have probably mixed this before.
Oh, mine's good. I don't know.
Bro, I might die, bro.
I had to do this.
Oh, shit, I'm nervous already, bro.
Creamy, just the way I like it.
For those of you who don't know what this is, it's pretty much curry noodles, but in our language we call it kapun. Our ethnicity, well, the one we follow is Mian, but we are half Laotian. Growing up as twins, I always challenge my twin brother on everything we do. I have this thing we go by. Every time he says something, I go, oh yeah? I can do it better. Oh, why did you laugh for? Why are you laughing? I don't know. I just thought about something funny.
What was that? I got that.
Did you see that? Yeah. Hey, bro. You ain't finishing eating like that. Can you get some napkin over here? Bro, I might die of laughter. Bro, I laugh if you don't laugh. Bro, what are you looking at me for? You're like,
Hold on.
How long do they have? An hour?
So they have, yeah, an hour. So they have a ways to go, but it looks like Chu might be. Yeah,
What?
let's talk about what the prize is for the winner.
I think that was supposed to be talked about first.
In the beginning. It's fine.
That don't matter. I get the right to say, oh yeah?
oh yeah, my phrase, yeah.
Are we paying each other, or does someone get money?
We just know who the alpha twin is.
Alright, fair enough.
See the.
Damn, bro. A lot to eat, bro.
Nicely choose. Okay, Chu looks like you.
Yes. Broth all over.
It looks full though.
Yeah.
Don't slow it down.
Damn, bro, you ain't no casualty. I mean, casualty? Casualty. It might be a casualty here, bro.
Monkey said slurp, slurp, slurp.
Damn, bro. Hey, stop looking over here, bro. Hey, why are you hiding your meat, bro? You're making me nervous. You gotta get some lubrication. Got stuff in here now? Huh? You trying so hard, man. Hey.
10 minutes down. Thoughts?
Thoughts?
Intimate right now, yeah. Thoughts.
I'll see y'all in 5 minutes.
Okay.
No thought.
Thoughts for you? It's been
No
10
thought.
minutes.
This is
What are you feeling right now?
defeated.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Yeah, oh yeah. That guy could eat, man. Goddamn, man.
It looks like they didn't eat an hour. We're at 48 minutes.
I can't
on
be
the
eating
clock.
fast, but Josh made me snap and shit.
This is can number 1. This is the amount. This is where we're at right now.
I got a spear bomb your ass. Ready? More, bro. Y'all ready? You gotta throw up, bro. Y'all ready for this?
Finish him!
Damn, bro. Your stomach gonna explode.
I hear the bottom of the bowl.
Oh, God. Oh, no.
Oh.
No. Nah. Damn, bro, you can really eat, huh? He's dying, bro. Not fair. Oh, goddamn.
Okay, I'm stopping the clock.
Hey, let me check your stomach, okay? Don't get up. Go ahead. What's the time?
46 minutes left on the clock.
Damn. That was
Okay.
easy.
The winner is this
I
channel.
told you we should have 4 pounds. That, bro. I had some pasta earlier. Man, here comes the excuses.
So how do you feel right now?
I feel great. I can go for some dessert. You?
Bruh.
Yo, I'm finishing this for him. You see this? Oh. Hey, you gotta finish the juice. Just kidding, Brad. Oh, you concerned for me?
You've proved your point.
Oh, I'll prove my point. Yeah, you're right. No, I'm concerned for you, but yeah, you can finish it if you want to say, oh yeah? Oh yeah?
Fatality.
Loser, what do you have to say? I don't recommend doing that against me. No, just at all. Thank you for watching this challenge between me and my twin brother. How can I be a loser? We're the same person, right? That's what you said? You know, technically you're not wrong. Exactly. If you won, I won. Damn. He has a point. But anyways, thank you for watching this challenge. Please do subscribe down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you very much and have a fantastic day.